Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our C day point 1.5, I guess you can say. Yesterday we had a C day and, oh yeah, 2.5. Yesterday we had a C day, but we took a break from vlogging just so we can enjoy the ship, enjoy relaxation. And today at 7 o'clock p.m. we will be going into Victoria, Canada. So it's currently almost 11:30. We're about to go have lunch. Right now we're just walking outside on the deck because this is like the first day it's been open for the entire cruise. Yeah, tonight is Victoria, Canada from 7 p.m. and then we have all aboard is 11:30 p.m. and then we disembark tomorrow. So this is just another relaxing day cruising the ship. About to go eat pizza.
We're going to Victoria! We're going to Victoria! We're going to Victoria!
Over his shape. Congratulations. I appreciate it. More of that. Continue that video with one of you sticking it.
Pilot is backing us into port. We only got a couple hours here to tour and get souvenirs and stuff. And we're back on the ship and disembarking tomorrow. The saddest part of vacation. What's even sadder is that we have to put our luggage out before we get off the ship. Because all aboard time, oh my gosh, it's a bird. All aboard time is 11:30 at night. So all of our bags have to be on before or outside for them to pick up before we disembark the ship in about, I'd say about 30-45 minutes. So boy, we're in Canada, eh? Oh, Canada, we don't call this land our home, but other people do. It's not us. Does anybody want to try some peppermint chocolate?
Alright, yeah. Let me get some of that, yeah.
Let's give it a shot. Chris.
What, yeah? Oh, thanks, yeah. Right, thank you.
There you go. Wait. Dad.
Thank you.
What is this?
Peppermint chocolate.
Thank you.
You don't want to try it?
Try it, try it, try it, try
Come
it,
on.
try it,
You're in Canada.
try it.
Come on.
Peer pressure.
Peer pressure. Peer pressure. Ah, he doesn't give in to peer pressure. It's really not that bad.
Oh, he took the whole thing. Go on. I do.
Some people need to go back. Some people need to go back to school.
Look what?
There was somebody behind us that said that the lady told us it's a 2-kilometer walk. So that's like 4 miles.
All right.
It's not like 4 miles. If a 5K, a 5-kilometer race is 3.1 miles, how can 2 kilometers be more than 5 kilometers?
Well, when you're not running, 2 kilometers can be 25 minutes if you're dragging your left feet.
But it can't be 4 miles.
No,
The
it
distance
can't
will
be.
never change.
It can't be 4 miles, you're right, but
Might feel like it.
if you're walking slow, it can be 25 minutes.
True.
Yeah, she just done. She didn't hit the calculation button. Right.
Man,
The
oh
way
man.
you're walking, it's going to be 5 minutes.
Oh, do I need to slow down?
I mean,
Are they
where's
be-
the family at?
Oh, they're behind us.
Wait, yeah.
They're
Look
back
at it.
there.
You're missing the arm. You're missing the. You gotta match up your face with the light bulb.
Now, don't be surprised if that was the thumbnail of this video.
Yeah, I know. Don't be surprised if you get a call from the. Look at that guy, he's fixing a boat.
Another one, Noble.
We can go over there and get a shot of the boat.
Everybody's on the water. That's cool. So we're walking next to the water, heading into downtown, and I see this hotel over here. Looks like the Grand Floridian in Disney.
There you go, Morgan.
Roger's chocolates. Looks very fancy. You want to try Roger's chocolates?
Okay.
How are you? Yeah, we're downtown.
Anything you buy, I'm gonna have to eat.
So we stopped at a beaver tail place behind us. It's so good. It's not as big as the one in
Can you do it?
Skagway. Was it Skagway? Wherever we had it last. But it's really good. And Chris had a beaver dog, which he just ate. Was it good?
Yeah.
Pretty good. Pretty good little snack. Now to go find a t-shirt and then walk back to the ship. He's cute. Here's some afternoon tea at the Empress.
The Empress. Afternoon tea.
City is all lit up. Wham bam. Did you have fun
Yeah.
in
I had
Victoria? You've had fun on the cruise?
fun. On the cruise?
On the cruise.
Yeah, I had fun on the cruise.
Was a
Had
lot
fun
of
in Victoria.
Victoria. Well, you guys know the drill. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button down below. Whenever you do subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Ding, ding, ding. So you don't miss any videos that I post. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.